Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 900. And today's topic is the chemical constituents of paints, part 3. And in this part I am going to discuss how to obtain acid and alkaline refined linseed, boiled linseed, heat bodied linseed and air blown linseed oil. And this linseed oil is having very good percentage of unsaturation, and actually this linseed is also known as flax seed oil or flax oil, and in Indian language we call it alsi ka tel. Alsi is very common, and nowadays it is having lot of medicinal importance also. Some 50 years ago it was mainly used in paint industry as a drying oil, but today it has lot of demand in health industry because it is very rich in one particular type of unsaturated fatty acid that is known as omega-3. Omega is the carbon position, and at 3 carbon there is a double bond unsaturation, and this omega-3 fatty acid is very effective anti-inflammatory compound, and your linseed is a very rich source of omega-3 fatty acid once we are thinking of seed, because in seeds only linseed is so rich, and also linseed can reduce the cholesterol level, and also it can reduce your obesity. So that is other part that I have already discussed linseed oil, and today I am discussing its use in paint industry, which is also very important. So first is how to get the refined acidic linseed. So the pressed or extracted by solvent hexane, we will obtain the linseed oil, and this linseed oil is agitated or treated with 1% sulfuric acid, and it is left for 1 hour. Within that time coagulation will take place, and some coloring material, some other fatty material impurities will be coagulated, and it will be in the form of precipitate. So that material is separated out from the oil, and this oil is called acid refined linseed oil. The second one is known as alkali refined linseed for paint industry, used as a drying oil. Alkali refined oil means the linseed oil or flaxseed oil is treated with 10% sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, any alkali, and it is agitated with 10% alkali. There will be precipitation, and precipitate will be separated out, and the separated oil is known as alkali refined linseed oil, and these refined oils are mainly used in paint industry for the manufacture of varnishes. Varnishes means those paints where we are using resins. So once resin is used in that drying oil, that is known as varnishes. The second is known as boiled oil, that is linseed oil. Boiled linseed oil is actually here, the linseed is treated with either manganese, lead or cobalt oxide or acetate, and once it is treated, its viscosity will increase as well as it will be deep in color, and that's why in paint industry, because of the deepening of the color, it is called boiled oil. It's actually it has nothing to do with boiling. It is not boiled, just the name is given boiled oil. And here this cobalt lead, and these oxides, they are responsible of polymerizing partially the unsaturation, and that will make its color deep and thick. The second is called heat-bodied linseed oil. Heat-bodied linseed oil means it is just only heated without any chemical substance. For just whatever desired is there, the amount of heat, and that heating of the linseed oil will oxidize and will polymerize the double bond, and it will become good quality oil, and very easily it can be hardened. So this is used for manufacture of ink and enamel. And third one, that is called air blown linseed oil. Here simply the air is blown inside the oil, and once air is blown, the same thing is happening here with the air blown, that polymerization of unsaturation and oxidation will take place, and in this way the viscosity of the oil will increase, and also the quality of the oil will increase. So how we are getting these different group of linseed oils in paint industries, and this is very important portion to understand all these grading, grouping of the linseed oils for different purposes. So here now I am discussing how to obtain acid refined and alkali refined linseed oil. So here number one, refined linseed oil A, that is known as acid refined linseed oil, and how to obtain it. Depending on the application, refined linseed may be obtained by acid treatment known as acid refined linseed oil, and the oil is agitated with concentrated sulfuric acid, and whatever amount of oil you are taking to agitate in presence of sulfuric acid concentrated, it should be only 1% of concentrated sulfuric acid. The 1% of the total weight of the linseed oil is used for about an hour and allowed to stand for about 24 hours for coagulation of the coloring matter and mucilages to settle down. The clear oil is carefully separated out and washed with water to remove excess acid and stored after the separation of water, and this oil is known as acid refined linseed oil, and it is ready to supply in paint manufacturing industry. B, second one is, that is alkali refined linseed oil. In alkali treatment, the slightly warm linseed oil is agitated with 10% sodium hydroxide vigorously and allowed to stand for setting out the precipitate. And here much time is not required because this reaction will take place vigorously in presence of alkali like sodium hydroxide 10%, and once the full precipitation has taken place, just leave for some time so that it will be settled down, and the oil is carefully siphoned off, heated to expel moisture, and finally decolorized with bleaching clay and filtering process. So by bleaching with clay and by filtering, you have to remove all these impurities, and this refined linseed oil is mainly used in the manufacture of varnishes. Number two, boiled linseed oil. It is obtained by adding small quantities of the oxides and acetates of cobalt, manganese and lead to hot linseed oil. So in little hot linseed oil, this oxide or acetate of manganese, lead or cobalt is added, and during heating the oil thickness with accompanying darkening of its color. So during this time heat, when you are heating, it will start becoming thick, the linseed oil, and also the color will start becoming dark. This is shading of the change in the color is referred to as boiling. Although here this oil is not boiled at all, there is nothing to do with boiling, but this process in paint industry is called boiling, the changing of the color into dark. And during this process, the boiling seed oil provide durability, and it is good to paint industry. So number 3 is, that is your the heat-bodied linseed oil. It is also known as Stand oil. It can be obtained by heating linseed oil alone at elevated temperature. As a result, its viscosity increases because of the partial polymerization of to attain a state that is called bodied. So once it is polymerized and it attains that status, that is called bodied. That's why it is called the heat bodied linseed. Once at certain temperature, is the polymerization will take place at unsaturation, and then it is called bodied. And the same change can also be obtained by exposing the linseed oil for many days in sunlight direct. So either you heat it or you put directly in the sunlight. After a few days time, it will be bodied under sunlight for many hours. And so oil is also known as Stand oil. So Stand oil means that linseed oil is bodied under sunlight, and once it is heat bodied linseed means that is heated, given some temperature. That's why it is called a heat bodied. So heat bodied and Stand means it is sun or heating. This oil is used mainly in making printing inks and emulsions, enamels. Number 4, blown linseed oil. Here air is blown inside the linseed. It is obtained by blowing air through linseed oil to make it bodied. During blowing, oxidation and polymerization take place at unsaturated positions in the molecules. Blown oil undergoes hardening much faster than the heat-bodied oil. Interior paints make use of blown linseed oil. So, for interior painting, we are using blown linseed oil. In addition to linseed oil, these two also very important drying oils. One is known as tung oil, and other one is known as soybean oil. So tung oil and soybean oil are extensively used as drying oils. when properly treated, tung oil dries with extreme rapidity, forming hard, dense, and tough film, which is more durable and less penetrable than that formed by linseed oil. Tung oil is used in making waterproof paint. The soybean oil is used in making interior paints. In the field of drying oil, India is supplying in large quantity globally the linseed oil and also castor oil, coconut oil, tobacco seed oil. Coconut oil and tobacco seed oil, they are partially drying oils, and this soybean oil, tung oil and linseed oil is fully drying oil, and actually India is producing a lot linseed oil as a drying oil. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.